कम होके कितना होगा? I love it. Final है 750. 500. Okay, great. Don't worry, I'm going to show stuff for guys as well, not just girls. Hi, my name is Tanvi Dikshit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another shopping video in Mumbai, and today I'm here at my favorite street shopping market in Mumbai. That's Colaba Causeway. So come along with me. Let's check out what's latest in their collection. Let's go. Okay, so I found these really cute crop tops. They're priced at 400 rupees. There's like different prints and designs in them, but look at how cute they are. Like really pretty, vibrant colors, and I love that they have this like pretend seashell sort of embellishment below. I think this will look pretty cute with the pants that I'm wearing right now too, like with any normal denim, and it has this nice backless like a tie thing at the back. Damn cute. These are priced at 400 rupees. And this is another color, it's like a yellow, orange, red. And I love this one. It's like, it has a very indie sort of a feel. Also the label is Zara. Okay, I'm at shop number 7, BK Thakkar shop, okay, and I found the most precious collection of earrings. So they have these like indie earrings made with fabrics, okay, and you find all different varieties of fabrics. There's like block prints, there's like bandhej and all of that. And you know, these fabrics are teamed up with like beautiful oxidized, rustic like silver sort of jewelry. These bigger earrings are priced at 250 rupees, and then the smaller designs are priced at 200 rupees each. All of them are stunning. Look at how pretty this is. I'm going to try it out. Yes or no? Okay, so I'm here at Imran Arts right now, and as you can see, he makes keychains and pendants and all of that, and he custom makes it. So as you can see, people have gotten their names made as a pendant. So I'm actually thinking of getting something that's like close to my heart, and I don't want my name because I already have it, but because I love travel, so some like travel related word I'm thinking of getting made. Okay, so I'm getting the word Musafir made in a pendant shape for me, and this is the font that I've selected. So you can actually select what font you want, if you want your own handwriting or whatever. So I'm giving him the font and I'm getting it made. So they have two qualities. The lower grade quality is for 250, and the higher, like the better quality is for 350. He's suggesting that I get the 350 one because the lower one like kind of gets spoiled soon. So I think I'll go for that. ये वाला हो जाएगा ना भैया पेंडेंट में? हाँ. I'm excited for this. ठीक है, ये वाला कर दीजिए. कितने टाइम में होगा? Okay, 10 minutes they're going to get it ready for me. I'm excited for this. So I found this stall selling a lot of like really cool men's shirts. Yeah. So he has some really cool designs. I love this like a crochet sort of material. Then I also love this green one, which is like a linen sort of a material. I think it's perfect for summers. And then this one as well. I love the design. All of these he's saying are priced at 600. Kam hoke kitna hoga?
Take it now, 550 I'll give you.
550 final he'll give it for. Okay, so he has some really nice designs. I love them. So if you're looking for like easy breezy summery shirts, these are also quite pretty. It's weird, I'm just loving this like lime green color. Okay, I'm at shop number 21 right now, and this shop has the cutest collection of dresses, okay? Like look at these are like just plain simple summer dresses, and it has all kinds of popping colors. There's pink, orange, blue, and my favorite, there's this like lemon green color. Look at how pretty this is. It would be perfect for like a beach holiday sort of a thing. It has this nice, it's backless, it has this like tie thing. Quoting price is 650, giving price is 550. I think this is damn cute. And you can actually take a look at the you know, variety of colors available. There's also prints available in this. And then you also have these like longer maxi dresses kinds. Inki bhi same hai price?
750 को 600 आएगा.
600 tak. So these are like final price is 600, but is maybe you can find like really pretty, you know, prints, very colorful beachy vibe. These are longer, so if you're not comfortable with shorter dresses, you can check out these maxi dresses as well. And then he also has like some really great denims. Denims ka price range
750 को 600 आएगा.
600. Look at this, it's really nice. And he has like different colors, and the fabric quality actually looks pretty great. So I'm at shop number 124. This is right next to the McDonald's on Colaba Causeway, and just look at these. These are so beautiful. He has an entire collection of bags, potlies, clutches, everything for your ethnic Indian wear. And look at this, okay? I am floored. Like, this is so gorgeous. This is so different than what I've seen before. Like, it opens up like this, and will pretty much go on your saris, even lehenga cholis, salwar kurtas and all of that. Iski kya hai price bhaiya? 1000. और कुछ होगा कम? 900. तो 1000 bargain करके 900 में he can give it, and I think it's a wonderful buy for 900. You have multiple colors. There's gold, there's a bottle green, there's a black, and it has some really pretty embellishments. And then you also have these like pearl studded clutches. These are also really pretty. So these are like for your cocktail outfits. Iski price? This is for 1500. He also has some bags made out of seashells, like embellished with seashells and pearls. These are 2000, no? 2000. So pretty. I'm just loving like his, I think he has the best designs in all these like ethnic Indian bags. Look at these. You have like variety for everything. Like whatever your outfit is, you're gonna you know, find something or the other here. This is so pretty. I mean, like buying everything. I'm at shop number 121 right now. This is called Mahira Designer Bags and Footwear, and they have the best collection of ethnic footwear. Okay, so they have all of these beautiful sliders. You have embellishments like there's pearls and there's stones, seashells, mirrors, and all of that. And all of the designs are so beautiful. All of these sliders are at a flat price of 500 rupees, which I think is a great deal for them. And then if you're looking for something more simple for daily wear, they also have these jute sliders in all of your basic colors: white, beige, brown, black. And I think they're perfect for everyday use, like with your denims, with your dresses and all that. I'm just going to try out one and see. These basic sliders are priced at 300 rupees only, which is again I think a steal deal. So yeah, definitely check out these ethnic sliders. I think this entire lane is going to sort out all your ethnic accessory shopping needs. I already showed you a bag shop, and now I've shown you footwear as well. So you're sorted. Okay, I'm in shop number 107, and they have an amazing collection of bags. Look at this beauty. It's a suede leather tote, and I love it. It looks so chic. Plus, it has like insane storage. Like there's one more bag inside. Okay. Oh, nice. So it has like this tiny storage bag inside, and this is like super spacious. Plus, it has a zipper. कितना बोला आपने इसका? 1000 for this, not bad at all, guys. I really like this tote. This is super cool. These beautiful shoulder bags, and ये भी है suede. This is priced at 750 rupees. Final क्या है इसका price? Final है 750. 500. Okay, great. So these are for 500, which I think is a great deal because the material actually seems to be of good quality. And then you have colors in this, like there's white and there's these other colors as well. So yeah, you can definitely check out. They have all of like different kinds of bags. So this store is basically all of your daily wear like Western bags, and then the store next to it has all of your Indian bags. So you can, you know, shop for the whole variety here. Okay, so if you're someone who loves to follow trends, and if you're obsessed with the Labubu trend, you don't have to spend as much because I found some Labubu bag charms here at Kulava Causeway. So Heaven Plaza ke andar it's like a big walk-in shop. You have clothes and accessories and all of that, and right at the entrance you have this accessory store. Iska kya hai price Labubu charm ka? Acha theek hai. This is after discount 850. There are different colors. There's this pink guy, this greenish blue guy, and apart from that they have some really beautiful earrings as well. I'm going to show you a couple of designs. So they have these like really pretty rustic sort of Indian designs which I really love. So this one is like very pretty, and then the price is 349 but is pe 20% discount hoga. So he has a huge variety in earrings, and there's like bracelets and neck pieces and all of that, but the Labubus are what caught my eye. Okay, for all you boys in Heaven Plaza, I also found this stall which has an amazing collection of men's linen shirts, okay? Just look at this. Just look at the quality of the fabric. Like, the quality of the fabric is really good. It's like, almost feels like real authentic linen. And the label is H&M actually, so not bad. So, I love this like beige color. And they have a variety of colors. You can see there are pastels. Like, I love these greens and blues as well. There is a variety of like greys, there's purple, green, orange, brown, just like all of it. So if you guys are looking for like a summery or even for monsoons actually, like a shirt that will not make you feel too hot, so actually this is a good buy. He was quoting 850 but he'll come down to 600 final price for these shirts. So go check out their collection. So this store, Heaven Plaza, houses all of your trendy sort of pop culture items, So I found this, this phone case that's trending all over, the Hailey Bieber Road lip balm phone case. So he actually has those lip cases, they call them, and they're available in different colors, which are like the color shades of the lip balm. There's like a brown, there's a peachy, there's pink and all of that. So these are final iska hoga 800 bole na aap. Final price 800 for these. So yeah, if you're someone, you have Labubus here, you have the lip case here, like you can be on trend at this shop. So I found this store right outside City Walk Plaza, and he has like you can see an insane collection of sunglasses. How cool is this? How cool is this? These are priced at 300 rupees, like 350, but he's giving them for 300. And then I'm going to try a couple of more shades. I don't know if they're giving you UV protection, but they're definitely giving you the vibes. ये भी 300? All of them are 300? अलग-अलग है? Okay. Starting price is 200, 200 से लेके 300, 350, like it depends on the design and the quality. You also have these studded sunglasses. So if you're a bride and you want something to wear with your bridal lehenga. Okay, so I am right opposite the Skechers store right now, and this stall sells the cutest fridge magnets. So if you're like looking to take back some souvenirs or give gifts to friends who don't live in Mumbai, I think this is a really cool stall. Like look at there's this auto rickshaw, then there are all these like food magnets. There are magnets which have like the different elements of Mumbai. There's like chai biscuit, there is there are so many of them. There's a pav bhaji magnet as well. So all of these magnets are priced at a flat rupees 100, but if you take in bulk, then he'll reduce the price for you. So if you're going to buy them in bulk, you can bargain, haggle a little bit. But I think it's like a really cool way to gift and take back souvenirs. So this stall is right opposite this store called Jewelry Palace, and it has a really nice collection of antiques. So as you can see, they have these like collectible like plane and bike models. There are some really beautiful globes and clocks. There's a bunch of sculptures, like you have elephants, you have this tiny telescope, you have these sailors pocket watches, and you have bottles with tiny ships in them, and like really pretty things that you can actually use to liven up your space. The starting price for the smaller items is like 100, 200 and they go all the way up. The globes and the clocks are like these nice vintage collectibles. They are priced somewhere around 2000 to 2200. So if you're looking to add some decor pieces, this place also has Tibetan singing bowls. So if you enjoy a little bit of sound healing, you can also pick that up. Okay, so I'm tired with shopping a little bit, so I want to take like a quick lunch break. So if you want to skip the oh so popular Leopold Cafe, I have a nice little secret for you. Cafe Churchill actually makes some really like interesting food. So you know, one of those old school food places where you can have your pastas, your baked vegetables, macaroni, chicken steaks, like that kind of food. So I'm gonna grab a bite here. I have had so much fun shopping at the Colaba Causeway Market today. Like always, I think some of my favorite finds today were the ethnic handbags and of course the locket that I got made, the Musafir lockets. I think those were my today's like favorite buys. But there's a lot of new stuff that has arrived for monsoons. There's like umbrellas and there's like a lot of like monsoon friendly clothing as well. So do make a stop at the Colaba Causeway Market. The shops usually open up somewhere around after 11 or 12 in the morning, so don't come here too early, but try to avoid coming here on Friday evenings and like weekends because it's so jam-packed. It'll be super crowded, so try to come on a weekday afternoon. That according to me is the best time to shop here, so that you get a little bit of space and a little bit of time to actually check out the whole collection. Leave a comment, let me know which is your favorite street shopping market in Mumbai, and if you want me to cover any other street shopping market, I would be glad to do so. This is me, Tanvi Rakshit, signing off for now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please hit the subscribe button. It will really help me a lot.